loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you guys a very quick wig review, but before I do that, I actually want to let you guys know that I'm actually refilming my introduction. Why? Because I actually decided to go ahead and do a wig sale, and so if you guys are new here, then make sure you pause, go down to the description box, click that link in my description box, and head on to the wig sale, and then come on back. Yeah, come on back, and I'll be waiting right here for you guys. So welcome back if you guys went ahead and participated in my wig sale, and if you didn't, it's okay. I feel bad that I didn't give you guys as much notice as I normally do, but as you guys know, if hopefully you guys have been keeping up with my videos, then some major changes are happening in my life, and so therefore I have to prioritize my time. And so because stuff is happening, I'm going to share it with you guys as soon as possible. I had to go ahead and get the wig sale out the way now because I'm not sure when I'll be able to do the wig sale in the future, as well as videos. So basically from here on out, you guys might see some pre-recorded videos after this because yeah, your girl has just been filming non-stop, and I'm preparing for just such a major change in my life that's really truly a blessing. You guys know the saying, to whom much is given, much is required. And so in order for me to be effective in this new role and this new opportunity that I have, I need to dedicate my time and my energy right now to that so that I can learn, because it's a brand new area for me. And I know that it's nobody but God. He purposed this opportunity at this exact time, and so I need to make sure that I do right and I honor him. And because I'm also responsible for people, I don't take that lightly, and I'm going to be helping people, which is a major blessing to me. So that was the reason why I started YouTube, was really to help people, and I didn't know how to do that while incorporating hair and makeup, because sometimes that's all you guys want. You guys want just hair and makeup, mostly makeup sometimes, and I don't even have the time to do the makeup. I only have time to really do the hair, and now even that time is kind of getting cut short, but it's with great reason. It's because I'm also helping people outside of my YouTube channel. And so thankfully my YouTube channel has been doing very well. We are over 12,000 subscribers. We've hit over 1 million views. So I hope and pray that you guys will not ditch me and that you guys will rock with me as I transition. Like, I'm not going anywhere, guys. I'm still gonna be popping in and out. It just might not be as consistent as I was, because I'm learning a lot and I'm going to be doing a lot. So if you guys could just bear with me, I'm going to share the details with you guys very soon, and I know that you guys will be understanding, and you guys will also be proud of me. And so that's what I wanted to give you guys, the little disclaimer, the wig sale, all of that into this introduction. And so now we're going to jump into the video, and the video I'm going to look completely different, and I'm actually probably not rocking the hair as well as I'm doing right now. Y'all know I love my hat. Like, this is my favorite hat from Forever 21, and I feel like it's hat approved. I absolutely love it with this hat. That's actually the reason why I think I'm gonna keep it. I was gonna put it in the wig sale, but I might keep it. I don't know. You guys will have to check out the wig sale to know. But yeah, I'm actually definitely feeling it with this hat. And so yeah, that's why you guys are gonna see me look completely different. That was my initial review, my initial thoughts of the wig. And so yeah, hopefully you guys like it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So hopefully you guys enjoyed your Memorial Day weekend and or your Memorial Day. So this unit that I'm going to review today is courtesy of wigtypes.com. They were kind enough to send your girl a couple different units. Yeah, they sent me 2 different units, as well as a few little sample packs of goodies. So this unit is from the brand Outre. It is their Swiss U lace front wig, and it's in the style KRISTIA. I believe that's how you say it, KRISTIA, in the color 2. And so just so you guys know, it has a W vixen lace, and it's hand tied all around, so all around. And you can use heat on it high up to 400 degrees. And so when I open up the style card, it shows you a variety of different styles you can get with this unit. They have what, 5 styles, I believe, that the model did. I only chose to do 2 styles, which was a right side part and then a center part. I was excited about the right side part, but then I felt like it didn't look as natural as I wanted it to, so then I just went with the center part. And so just so you guys know what their Swiss U collection is all about, it says it's made with you in mind. It's designed with the innovative W-shaped vixen lace. Swiss U gives you options to choose how you want to style your hair, from pulled back, half ponytails to left, right, center parts, and everything in between. Swiss U makes looking effortlessly fly so effortless. Share how you wear your Swiss U by tagging #SwissU. So as far as my personal thoughts about this unit, when I saw the unit on the model, I thought that the model and this unit looked absolutely gorgeous. I actually love the color that she's rocking. She's rocking the color DR27613, and so I'm not quite sure why I didn't try this color. Maybe they didn't have it, or maybe I just decided to go with a 2. I'm not quite sure, but I do love this color on the model. But I also love the color that I'm rocking, which I didn't tell you guys earlier. It's the color 2, and so I'm actually super excited that I finally got to try a color 2. I used to get a lot of 1Bs, then recently the companies were like running out of 1B, so then I had to get a 1, and I felt like the 1s and the 1Bs just kind of were just so harsh on my skin tone, and I wanted a 2, and nobody was sending me any 2s. And so this is actually my first time rocking a 2, and I think I definitely love rocking 2s better than 1B. This unit, I feel like it is very complimentary to my skin tone. This 2 is just a subtle little, you know, subtle slay, okay? And I absolutely love the layers on this unit, as well as the curls and the length. So I would say this is probably about a good 26 inches, maybe. I would say this unit is probably about 26 inches long, if not longer. I am 5'10", and it goes down to my side, my love handles, okay? It's where my love handles are. And so yeah, I absolutely love this unit. But what I learned when I put the hair to the left side and I had the part on the right side was just that I don't know if it was like the hair was just falling too much into my face, into my eyes, that I just didn't love it. I didn't love it. I actually loved it better in the center part. Now what I will say is that because it has so much body, I would definitely go ahead and straighten it to where it would lay down a little bit more, so that it'll look more natural and less wiggy, just so you guys know. Something else to note is that there is lace going from ear to ear, I believe. I think it was, yeah, because I cut off the lace. So you will need to place some type of adhesive if you don't want the flaps to move. So if you guys can see that. So yeah, if you're out and about and you know the wind might blow, you know they're gonna see that if you do not put some type of adhesive down. And so yeah, I'm absolutely feeling the body of this unit though. Like, oh, this thing right here is gorgeous. Like, I hate when you get a unit and it looks like it's voluminous from the stock card or on the package, and when you get it, it's like flat, or you have to like tease it or whatever. And like, look at y'all, like, I ain't got to do much for it to just have its own little body and its volume. Like, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving this, you guys. And so yeah, hopefully you guys love this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you wigtypes.com for sending me this unit, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.